Let me do the sum for you. Very easy question I've given to you. So if you're not able to solve the question, the first thing you do is you start putting the information what you have. So I'm going to invest X over here. I want the amount to become X plus 500, correct? I will take out 500. Again, X will get reinvested over here. And again, this will become X plus 500. And I will take out this 500. यही होता है ना perpetuity में. This is what happens in a perpetuity. So I want X to become X plus 500. Is this okay? So the amount, matlab, the amount has to become X plus 500. This has to be a future value, which is equal to present value X into e to the power 0.09 into 3 by 12. That's it. Understand what we are doing. I want to invest an amount X today. I want that to become X plus 500. Because 500 is a perpetuity. I want a perpetuity of 500. I want to be able to take out 500 forever and ever. That means the reinvested principal has to be the same. The interest for 3 months period has to be 500. Only then the principal gets reinvested and again 500 ka interest is there. And this goes on forever. This is what the idea is, right? If you understand, see, that is why I told you, you mug up the formula of perpetuity, you'll get stuck in this question. You apply common sense, you'll be able to solve this question. The future value is X plus 500, present value is X, X becomes kitna? X plus 500. X into e to the power 0.09 to the power 3 by, into 3 by 12 is equal to X plus 500. Now all I have to do is solve. This is how much? 0.0225, right? ln 0.0225 second ln. Correct? $21,973.16, and those who are giving me the answer 5,000 something, really bad. Approximately your per annum interest rate is 9%. You're getting 500 about 4 times in a year. So even if I assume simple interest basis for the time being, I'm requiring 2,000 per annum. So 9% of principal is 2,000. 2,000 by 0.9% will be cannot be 5,000. 5,000 ka 10% is 500. But you want 10% kind of a thing 4 times in a year. Even if you're looking at an approximation, even if you don't understand the formula, you still can say that the answer is supposed to be somewhere close to 20,000, 2,000 by 0.09. 22,000. The answer has to be somewhere close to 22,000. Even if you do not understand compound interest and continuous rates and all, you should be able to answer that. I'm getting 500 4 times a year. So on a per annum basis, I'm needing $2,000. If I'm ignoring any kind of continuous rate, compounding, etc., I'm doing a very, very rough calculation. You need 2,000 per annum, right? So 9% of something has to be 2,000. So 2,000 by 9% is 22,000. Getting it? That is why I'm telling you, always apply common sense. You'll understand where you could go wrong. Why this answer cannot be the answer? Answer is wrong, okay. But why is this answer wrong? Or why cannot this answer cannot be the answer? The answer has to be in this kind of ballpark figure range. That you should be able to calculate. Getting the idea? Interesting. Got it? So this is the answer. Another way of looking at it could be that we understand the perpetuity formula, that my answer is supposed to be 500 divided by I, the interest rate, I by Y, whatever. Now this rate has to be X% per annum I need this, so I can do X by 4 and put the rate over here, correct? Because my cash flow is on a quarterly basis. So if I know what is the rate per quarter, I can get this answer done. Now e to the power 0.09, 1 becomes this much in 1 year. This is your EAY. EAY say quarterly rate can't you go? 1 becomes e to the power 0.09 in 1 year, right? So in 1 year this much, so 1 quarter how much? This much, minus 1. Into 4 करने का जरूरत नहीं है, because this is exactly what I need to put over here. You can do into 4, that is quarterly compounding rate. Divide by 4 is your I by Y. I by Y is the rate per period. Tell me, are you following this? This is EAY. EAY to the power 1/4 minus 1 into 4 is your quarterly rate. Divide by 4 karke, you can put it over here. You could have solved this question this way also. You can convert, and if you know the continuous rate to EAY se to you know how to convert it to anything at all. Right?
So what if we divide 9.417?
9, So this is 1 becomes 1.094174. This is what 1 becomes in 1 year. So in 1 quarter, how much? To the power 1/4? Which is 1.022755 minus 1, that is 2.2755%. This is what becomes in 1 quarter. This into 4 is basically your X% per annum compounded quarterly. 9.1020%. So basically 9% CC is equal to 9.417 9.4174 percent annual is equal to 9.10 quarterly. They're all equivalent rates. All these rates are equal. 9.1020 quarterly rate means 1 becomes how much? 0.091020 by 4. वो यहाँ पे डालना है. I by is the rate per period, and the cash flow is happening quarterly. I hope this is clear. Problem? बोलना कहाँ पे problem है?
इसमें we can convert this thing into EAY.
हाँ, so EAY कैसे हुआ? E to the power 0.09, which is 1.094174. This is per annum compounding. What is quarterly compounding? To the power 1/4 minus 1 into 4. So this 9.1020 is quarterly compounding rate. I by Y क्या होगा? Rate per period. So this is 9.1020 by 4, which is 2.2755. It's exactly that only. Obviously, answer the same ही आएगा. Whichever method you follow, answer is going to be the same, obviously. But I'm saying you could have calculated this way also. This is also another way you can calculate. Normally, students would do the second one. But if I do not want to mug up the formula or just convert mechanically from a continuous to EAY to quarterly and then do the sum applying the formula, I want to know the logic also. Why can't I do it this way? If I'm investing in amount X, X is what we need to find out, right? So if I'm investing X, that needs to become X plus 500 because I'm going to take out 500. So X again gets reinvested at the same rate. It's again going to become X plus 500. That's exactly what is the logic behind the derivation of perpetuity formula. That your principle becomes the same. So this interest has to be 500 because I'm going to take out the entire interest, and the principal, the principal is going to remain constant because it is not getting, your interest is not getting reinvested away. It's a perpetuity. Tell me, clear? Easy question.